Think about this one. What comes inside your head when we talk about making money online? Leisure games, smartphones, social media. All of this might come right into your head. But in today's day and age, we're now capable of generating money with simple and easy methods by utilizing technology. How convenient, right? The only thing that you will do in this strategy that I'm about to share with you today is that you will just do the designated tasks provided by the website in question, and you will make continuous huge amount of money by cashing out the received cash online. The best part about this is that you can do this method again and again and again. In this video, I'm about to tell you about this website that can aid you in enhancing another income stream. This website, accompanied by the amazing tricks and tips that I'm going to show you, will help you generate decent amount of money constantly. All you have to do is to follow these very basic 3 steps from 1 to 3. You don't need to worry about losing any money at all, because you won't need to invest in these apps. You won't need any technical skills or hard skills for this one. You won't need a huge amount of followers and engagements on social media either. And of course, you won't need to sell any products or anything. All you have to do is to download the applications that I'm going to show you, and you will earn some instant cash online. So, for you to properly set up and do this strategy, I want you to observe and watch every navigate this method and gather some bonus money making tips to maximize your earning potential by doing almost nothing at all. So sit back, relax, and stay tuned to this video until the end. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. Now, to start things on the right track, I want you to go to this website called Capterra.com. To access the said website, here's what you will need to do. Head over to Google and type Capterra in the search bar. Click the first link that you will see above or below the ads. Then, you are now on the website. The website is where we will generate huge amount of cash. What we'll be doing on this website is that we are going to write reviews for very specific softwares so that they will be able to enhance their newly made softwares. If you scroll down below their homepage, you will see here hundreds or thousands of softwares that were segregated per category, which you can review. By the way, you don't need to worry because you won't be needing any specific technical skills in order to qualify and review for them. Capterra basically helps these software developers by making it easy for them to locate the main issues of their creations through the help of this website or application. This platform offers services that can cheaply and quickly show what troubles or bugs needs to be fixed before releasing their software to the web. Again, we will be earning money through testing and evaluating some softwares. That's the game we are about to play on this website, and once again, I will tell you that you won't need to worry about having no technical knowledge or skills at all for you to do this method, so don't get discouraged. The very reason why I'm going to share with you this website is because this is a very simple and easy money-making opportunity for the reason that you will just test out different softwares. To further prove the legitimacy of this website, let's dive into the registration process now. But before that, if you want to learn more about Capterra.com, you can just scroll down below and read the features. You may also click on the frequently asked questions found on its website banner. If you have any more questions about the website, don't get rattled by the pressure of reviewing certain websites, because I will be giving you tips on how to create spiels that will serve as your reviews. With that, you can just head over to the website's homepage and click on the link found on the upper right corner of the page saying "Write a review." So once again, click on that and you will then be redirected to this page right here, where you will be able to search for any product or software or websites that you want or may review. If you scroll down, you will see here the recommended softwares that we are capable of reviewing directly and upfront. However, to start things properly, I will give you my very first tip, and that is to focus on reviewing PowerPoint because of the fact that it is very easy to review. So in this search bar, just type in PowerPoint and click on the search button. You will then click on the PowerPoint software by Microsoft, but you can also click the other link as well. After clicking on that, you will then reach this page where you will get the opportunity to make money by reviewing the specific software. Before I forget, I want you to know that you are capable of doing this method with any device that you have, so you may do this on your laptop or personal computer or even your phone. It doesn't really matter. No matter where you are in the world, you can do this method and start making money on this website with ease and no pressure. After clicking, you will see the entire flow of process of giving the review. By scrolling down to the bottom part of the page, you are going to see that you are still at page number 1, as you can see here. So for you to start making money on this website, you will need to finish all the pages and steps for you to cash out instantly. Now, imagine if you are capable of accomplishing multiple reviews in a single day. With that, you can potentially generate decent amount of money. Sounds very easy, right? Just be sure to navigate around the website and read all necessary information so that you will be knowledgeable of the workarounds of the website and actually earn your desired amount of payments. Now, here on page number 1 or first step, you will just input the necessary information in here to completely register your review. Just type in your first name, last name, email address, and for the job title, just type in freelancer. Now, this is important because if you are not able to provide them your job title, you will not get accepted on the website. Moving on, for the organization name, just input self-employed. For the industry, just click the drop-down menu and choose whatever field you're currently working in, or if you have nothing to input, just choose computer software, and this will add points to your review application because they will see that you are credible to review their specific softwares. For the company size, choose the myself only options since you are a freelancer and self-employed. For the question about how long you have used the software, you should choose the 6 to 12 months option, since this will show them that you have been using their product for about this number of months. So we are now done with the first step or the first page. So we then proceed to page 2 or second step. For this step, you will need to provide them your feedback in terms of giving them stars that equates to what you think the software deserves. As you can see, this is a very easy and simple step as you will just need to click a few buttons to rate them with stars and to spark their interest. Just click on 5 stars for every category that they will be showing you. I know that they will be loving your review and pay you once they see it, but wait, we are not done yet. We still have a couple of more things to accomplish in order to finish this review. Oh, by the way, another bonus tip for this method. If you will see questions that are optional, just please answer them because this will create an image about you for the client that you are really interested in reviewing their software. Always keep in mind that you will be giving out 10s and 5 stars. Always remember that. Now we finished the second step. We are now heading to the last step. I just want to note for you that out of all the steps in this process, this third step for me is the most essential one, so don't try to skip this part. On this page, you'll need to write what you like the most about the software and what you least like about the software as well. After those 2 questions, you will have to describe your overall experience with the software. So here's the amazing Google trick that we will do now. Let's head over to google.com and type in pros of PowerPoint in the search bar. Click on search and after that, you will see everything. Just choose anything that you will think is flashy and relevant. Select a sentence or paragraph that you think will generate you money. You can just look for any reviews in Google and just copy them. If you see your preferred answer, just copy it and paste it to this box or bar. Now, for the disadvantages or cons, just head over to Google once again and type cons of PowerPoint in the search bar. After that, just do the same process that you did earlier for the pros, but make sure to look for different opinions of other people that you think can be inputted in the review box. Last but definitely not the least, search for anything that describes your PowerPoint experience also in google.com. For sure, you will find a lot of people expressing their views about their experiences while utilizing the software. You will find a wide variety of answers by searching for it on Google. What's great about searching for your answers on Google is that you can do the reviews again and again and again, because there are no limits to the number of responses or reviews that you will see just here on Google. Lastly, on the last question that says, "Did you switch from another product?" just click on No to prove to the clients that you have been loyal in using their software for the entirety of your life, which is for this video, the Microsoft PowerPoint. To wrap up your review, just click this button right here and click on Submit. And just like that, you are now done with your review. That is the strategy on how you can generate money online using this website. Always keep in mind that you are capable of maximizing your income by doing reviews for multiple softwares. You can just utilize Google so that you will have unlimited reviews entries. All in all, this is an amazing method that anyone can use. It is good for beginners to come along to this money-making online journey right now and try this new strategy. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.